Well, hello everyone. Now we just went through how to generate leads and traffic, and you may still be wondering, okay, but I'm having a tough time converting sales, and especially if you're in a program that's being promoted by thousands, if not tens of thousands of other people, you might find yourself struggling if you're just using exactly the same thing as all of them are doing. So these are the things I'm going to give you some suggestions on how to convert more leads into raving fans and actual customers. Okay, because that's where we really make money, is when we convert these leads into sales, right? Okay, so let me go ahead and go through this PDF, and you have access to this PDF so you can read it yourself. Okay, now let's talk about how to convert leads into raving fans and loyal customers. Number one, it starts out with how you end up with that lead. Okay, we talked about paid marketing, but really the best leads that you will get would be the organic traffic, because they came from your content and they clicked on your capture page because they like your content, or the email list that you own, the list that you own because you've already started to develop that relationship. That's why it's really important that you continually communicate and connect with your list. All right. But so it starts out before they even become a lead, through content. Okay. Before they will buy from you, they need to know who you are, like what you stand for, and trust that you deliver value. That's why it's build that know, like, and trust relationship. Okay. So be visible. Constantly, consistently create valuable content, not just viral content, but actual content that makes a difference, whether you threw it through text, through content on blog or social media posts. But really better if you can do videos, personalized videos that you could create yourself. And if you don't like to be on camera, if you don't like to be, or maybe because of your job or whatever, then create a brand and build upon that brand. Like I created Limitless Lead System. My ultimate goal is Limitless Lead System doesn't depend on Henry Jose. Okay, the brand Limitless Lead System can stand on its own. So, so before they become a lead, you want to be visible. You want to be relatable. Okay, it's easier to relate to a person, especially if you're willing to talk to them like I'm talking to you now, and it builds that relationship. Okay, give value freely. It's so easy to create value nowadays with AI, especially if you're part of Limitless Lead System. You've got AI that's been trained specifically for different things, whether it's video creation and scripting, copywriting, and really our AIs are already trained in the world for people that are in affiliate marketing, the business opportunity, make money online industry, the digital marketer. Okay. Now, once they become a lead, you want to have an email series for them that welcomes them, sending a warm, engaging email, welcome email that shares your story, and maybe having an about me page on there. Okay, before you start pounding them with a link about your program, have that. Now you can still have your link to remind them, hey, if you want to watch the presentation one more time, here's a link here. Or you can say, hey, to get additional information, I know it takes a little bit of time to really understand whatever. Boom, you have a link on your email, even on your welcome email, but do it passively, not promoting it, but passively. It's available for them to click on. Okay, engage regularly, send an email regularly to your list. Now, again, before I go into the email series, let's talk about separating yourself from the crowd. Most likely, you might be promoting a program where thousands of other people are promoting it already. Well, here are some things that will set you apart. Number one, instead of using the capture page that they give you, customize it with your own unique headline that directly speaks to the audience pain point. Maybe, most of them are generic, especially if you're in the make money online. Maybe your target market are people over 40 who are looking for a way to build their retirement income faster. Okay. So, you personalize it. Maybe you niche down on it. Add your own personal touch. Maybe it's a little video introduction right on the capture page, or your picture. Okay. Platforms like Limitless Lead System, the cool things allows you not only to create the pages, but we've got a viral lead system attached to it. Okay. Number two, create a personalized thank you page and bridge page. Most programs don't have this. Most programs, if they have a capture page, it goes from capture page directly to presentation. The thank you page allows you to create a welcome message. Again, a video of you would be better if you really don't want it. You feel really you don't like being on video. You're not comfortable with it. I encourage you to either use AI. We've got some tools that will create the video for you of you, okay? At the very least, or have an audio with your picture on it. You can just put your picture on it and then speak, record it, and you're speaking behind it. Or at the very, very least, a picture of you with a text welcome message, a short introduction, and what you see with the program, how it's helped you, etc. Okay, and then but really, if you can create the video, and again, I'll have in some of our training, we show you with some links of software that can literally create AI now. It's so amazing. I have an AI where I just type up the script and me are doing like I'm speaking what I wrote on the script, and the script was created by my AI coach in Limitless Lead System. I copied that, pasted it on there, then the software basically created a video of me speaking like perfectly. Okay, well, I wouldn't say perfectly, but at least I'm on there. Okay, and then on that thank you page, you encourage them to take the next action, which means check your email, make sure that you get them out of spam, join our group, if you've got a Facebook group or our group or whatnot, and then for exploring your offer and etc. And then also you can talk about a bonus that you offer if they sign up for, this particular level or this program or whatnot. Offer exclusive bonuses that only you offer out there, whether it's additional training, etc. Let me talk about the different bonuses you can offer. Unique bonuses that you can offer. Exclusive training, like creating a PDF just like this one, okay? With ChatGPT or our AI coaches, it's so easy to create content right now, and then you can paste it. You can do it in Canva. Heck, this is just on Word document. I save it as a PDF. Boom, there's a PDF training available for you, okay? A video is even better, okay? You can take the training, do a little video like I'm doing right now, and the script can even be provided for you by AI, but boom, right there, you can create that training. More personalized brings up more trust and value to your audience, okay? AI powered resources. Use AI prompts. Provide them with AI prompts and provide them a link to a special AI. Here's the other thing. There's so many software out there that is so helpful right now, especially AI powered software, just like Limitless Lead System. Offer that as a free system. It's free. Okay. If they decide to upgrade, you earn a commission. There's additional software out there that I have in Limitless Lead System, third-party software that you can offer that are so incredible that they all have like a free starter program or a free version. And guess what? If they decide to use the upgraded version, you even get a commission on it. Okay. And additional income, tell them, you can share with them, say, hey, by the way, when you sign up for these, and you can sign up for free, you can also be an affiliate for them. You can offer the link to you as a bonus to your potential customers, and guess what? You can earn additional streams of income. Just the fact that you're willing to offer additional stream of income for them that are tools that are very valuable to the audience, that adds, again, more credibility for you, because you're willing to look out for people instead of them. Most of people probably don't know about it, okay? But you're willing to give it to them, and potentially you can make additional income from it, okay? Now let's talk about the 7 to 10 day email series. Let's put it this way. I don't care how awesome it is. Majority of the time, especially if it's more than $25 or $50, majority of the time people aren't gonna buy what you offer them from the first time they see it. Okay, I still do that even with a $25 product. It will take me 5 to 7, 10 times of seeing the ad, seeing the email, and clicking on the link again before I actually buy the program or product. Okay, so it's really important to have a 7 to 10 day email series. It takes typically about 7 to 10 emails or times they see the presentation before people actually buy. Okay, so day one should be now each one of these emails should have your link promoting the program or sending them back to the presentation. But it could also have additional link or a little bit different link. Like for an example, on the first one, it should be more about a welcome and a little bit more about you, introducing yourself, introducing them and welcoming them so they feel welcome. Number two is addressing the problem that your program is solving. Okay, so address the problem. Here's the solution. And again, you know what's cool is that you can take the email series that you might have gotten from the program, definitely change it. Okay, again, even use AI to recreate the email for you so it's not exactly the same thing as 99% of the people promoting the same program. Majority of people don't change what they have or what's given to them, and that's the lazy way of promoting programs, and that's why they don't succeed. They don't customize it. Okay, so day two, addressing the problem. Day three, an education, 3 secrets on something, something that relates to their goal of what you're helping them achieve with the program. Okay, share some actionable insights again, and then send a link, put a link on there about, again, check out this program and now see how it can help you. Okay, and then day 4 to 7 is building that desire and overcoming objection. So the first thing is where the first set of email kind of welcomes them, reminds them of the challenges, and then providing some tips on that. And then now you start overcoming objection. Okay, what's holding them back? Think about what held you back, why you didn't buy from the beginning. And so you address the common doubts and reassure them. And one of the ways to do that is you take, if they have some testimonials, take the videos of those testimonials. You can take a picture of those testimonials. You can put it in text what the testimonials might have said, but add it on that email or send them back to the link to the presentation that might have the testimonials on them. Okay, but ideally you want to even create that separate link to a testimonial, or even a little text of that testimonial, and then say, hey, by the way, this is one of the testimonies of one of the members that we have, one of the colleagues that we have that have created success with this, and you could also see this on this video. Boom, you send them back to that link. Social proof, again, the proof that this works, whether it's from your results or other people's results. Okay, highlight success stories, or maybe again take a screenshot of either the group or something that shows them the reality of how this is helping people out. Okay, paint the possibilities. Okay, bring it to them. If you know their desires a little bit and you know what it might be, maybe if your target market is specific, then you can talk about that particular issues of those people. Let's say your target market are people over 40 looking for a way to really increase their income and also increase their retirement strategy. Okay, whatever it is, and then you use that as if you know that's been your target market, then you can also help address those pain points and the solution on how this program can help them with that. And then giving them a call to action, like ready to take the next step. Okay, present a clear and compelling offer, like limited time bonuses. Hey, by the way, if you sign up now, you will get this, and that. Okay, like those bonuses that you offer. Days 8 to 10 is re-engagement, sharing tips. As a matter of fact, now the question becomes, now, is it okay if you send this same people that's on this series additional email that maybe you're broadcasting on a regular basis? Yes. Just make sure that it stays relevant and it's valuable. One of the things I like to do is just when I create a content, I might share a link to that content, because number one, I'm helping generate more traffic to my content, which will help the algorithm, right? And create more exposure to that content. And then at the same time, it's providing value to my audience that's in that email. Okay. So step 4 what you want to do is connect your systems. And again, you want to use Limitless Lead System for customizable capture page, or maybe you use Limitless Lead System to build your list, and then your list is getting your access to your link to your main program. Okay, we've got the viral lead system that multiplies it, and more people will get to see your information. We've got an about me page, for an example. Automate the delivery. We've got an autoresponder system attached to it, or if you've got get response or active campaign, you can connect it to the capture page that we have, and all that. Really, but ideally use Limitless Lead System, since it's already built in for you. Okay. Step 5, some advanced strategies, which is really all about building long-term relationship. Look, some of your customers may not buy from you until 2 or 3, 4, 5, 6 months down the road. But if they stop hearing from you after first 10 days and they don't hear from you again, then they won't know. But by over delivering valuable content, exclusive bonuses, unexpected stuff, that always helps build long-term relationship. Okay, leverage AI for efficiency. We've got a step-by-step system that really teaches you how to use AI to make you just that much more efficient. What used to take me 8-10 hours, it literally takes me seconds now, if not just a few minutes, to create and all that, including just scripting this out. Now, a lot of this I know on my own, but it helps me deliver it with more efficiency by using AI. Okay. Encourage referrals. Okay. Offer incentives for customers to refer others to your program, or just say, hey, it's an affiliate program that's working. They can generate income by referring other people to it. Bottom line, converting leads into loyal customers isn't about the initial sale. Okay. It's about building relationship, having the right, providing value to your audience, and making your audience feel like they're part of something bigger. By customizing your approach, offering unique bonuses, leveraging tools like Limitless Lead System and other AI programs, and even offering those systems to help them, always make you stand out and always makes you be the person that's providing them something that can help them achieve their goal. Okay, so take action, start implementing these, and hopefully this help. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye-bye.